Okay, so this is the continuation of your skills handbook, lesson 1. What questions do scientists ask? Okay, so this is for grade 4. We're done with number 7, so let's just take a few recap. Why might some reference materials be better than the others? As I repeat, it depends on your preference. Some materials are really full of information. Some is too wordy without pictures. Some information have illustration and pictures and video. For kids like you, grade 4, information with pictures and videos is more helpful to you because you can understand when you have a visual picture. Okay, compared to the books of a college student, more of their books is more on to words, paragraphs, sentences. So they can understand better because their understanding is more higher than yours. But for your books, if you compare your books and reference book, your books has a lot of pictures so that you understand more because you're young. Okay? So let's proceed to number 8. Why might scientists repeat experiments? Possible answer: results from experiment might match or be different from the previous experiments. Scientists might repeat experiment to check the results. Yes, some scientists are repeating the experiment of the previous experiments or the scientists. Why? Uh, like example, some scientist says that human is from the apes or from the monkey. That is a false statement because until now, monkey is not turning to man or man turning to monkey. But before, that is the experiment of one of the scientists. But they didn't prove it yet until now. But that is just a theory. A theory meaning just a wild guess. Before, it's hard to study because the tools is not enough, the technology is not, enough that time. But now we have good technology to prove many things. But still, we have a lot of questions and we have a lot of things to study. The world is so big to study, girls. Even though you finish your lifetime, sometimes you cannot figure it out. You cannot find your answer. That's why some scientists they finish their old age without finding the answer to their question. That's why some scientists is just continuing the study. Okay, so I have here some short activity for you for your observation. Okay, here are the questions. Okay, drinking and eating is two different activity of our body. My question to you, I want you to observe and ask the question to you when you were drinking, when you were eating. Ask this question. You could submit your answer, okay, in Clasera or in my WhatsApp. Take a picture, write your answer in your notebook or in a piece of paper, then send it in Clasera. Okay, so try to drink and then try to ask yourself, what do I see when I'm drinking? What do I hear when I'm eating or drinking? What do I feel when I'm drinking and eating? What do I taste? And what do I smell? Okay, so try to compare that one. So let's take step by step, okay, of this thing, how to be a scientist. Actually, even a kid could be a scientist. Okay, so that is a good news. Even a kids could be a scientist. This is a trivia. Didn't you know the person who invented slime is a kid? Okay. He wants to figure it out how to make a rubber shoes. He wants to invent a rubber sole. So instead of doing a rubber sole by accident, he created a slime. That's why you have a slime today. It's because of that invention. Okay? Have a good day, girls. If you have some question, please send it in my WhatsApp or in class. Thank you.